Hey, it's Meg with Board Mom. VARMINPOOL sent me this variable speed pool pump to install. This one is about 20 years old right now, so we are definitely due to get a new pool pump. The nice thing about this one is that it is incredibly smart, efficient, and powerful. This is the heart of the pool, and energy bills here, especially in California, are no joke. This can save us up to 80%. So I'm very excited to get into this box and see what makes it so special. So this is our current setup right now. It is a 1.5 horsepower motor. It is incredibly loud, clunky, and inefficient. The new one that we'll be putting in is 3 horsepower, but most importantly, it is a 2-speed variable motor.
The VARMINPOOL pump is made with industrial-grade materials for long-term outdoor use, featuring an IPX5 waterproof rating. And you'll love this. Thanks to the permanent magnetic motor and a special extra protective rain shell, it operates incredibly quietly.
All right, for me to remove the old pump, all I have to do is turn off the breaker, disconnect the 220 wires, and then unhook it from the inlet and the outlet, remove the old pump, put the new pump in, and hook it back up.
It's a little wet. All right, so the power is off at the breaker box. Unhook the pipes. Now I got to go through and pull the wire out of here, but I want to leave it because it's going to go back, get threaded back later on through a pipe that I have underground. For my setup, I need underground. For some people, they can have their wires exposed. That's up to you and your codes.
So because the new pump is a different shape, we're going to have to move some piping around. Not a big deal, but it does involve gluing some additional parts. So our very wise pool guy suggested that we do the gluing away from the pump area to keep things clean, and also the glue needs some time to set up before attaching. Make sure to test your fit before gluing anything, but this pump features a robust 2.5-inch inlet and outlet port. You're going to connect your existing or new PVC here. Ensure that you use proper unions and sealants for a watertight connection. This is a heavy-duty flow chamber and it's designed to handle that. What truly sets this pump apart, though, is the advanced stepless inverter technology. This means that instead of the old on and off like old single-speed pumps, this unit can precisely control its speed anywhere from 1,200 to 4,000 RPM. It even comes with 4 convenient preset speeds for common tasks like backwashing or regular filtration.
So the setup is pretty easy. First you want to go through and set your time. Then you want to set your speed. And you got 4 different speed controls. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I set for my lower menu, from lower number, is 1500. So that's just going to be the skimmer going only. Speed 2, it's just a little bit faster for me. Speed 3 is what I think I need for my cleaner to go run efficiently. And speed 4, I'm just going to go in between. Okay. So setting the schedule is very nice. You can have 4 different schedules as well. So I have schedule number 1. It starts off, I set my function, which tells you which power do you want it set at. Or set it enabled, excuse me. And then time on, for me, I have it set to 9. Escape, and then it turns off at 11. And then the speed, so you control your speed. So first I want to have my pump going. And then for me, I'm going to change this to number 3. Enter. Escape, and gets me out. And then schedule 2 for me is just going to run my pool filter itself. So again, the function is enabled. Time for me is set at 11:01 p.m. Turns off at 5 p.m. And my speed is set to stage 1, which I have set at 1500 RPM, which is enough to move the water around. And it can easily adjust for later on.
So we are installed and powered up. Let's listen to the difference in how loud it is. We can now easily switch between speeds, a lower RPM for gentle filtration or a higher one for intense cleaning. The variable speed is also going to save us a ton of energy. Installing the VARMINPOOL pump was a good experience. We're going to get incredible power, control, durability, and best of all, massive energy savings. So goodbye, noisy pool pump, and hello to a cleaner, quieter pool.